Today we have the 2023 Kia Niro. This vehicle has done just under 24,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights, cruise control, and on the right we have hands-free calling, voice control, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, EV and climate control, Kia Connect, Kia Live, and phone projection. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below we have our heated steering wheel, and as we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim.